In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a Gaussian blur transition right inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get into it. So once you're inside of Adobe Premiere Pro, you first want to begin by making sure that you've got two video clips on your timeline and they're pushed together. If there's a gap between these two keyframes or if they're on different layers, then you want to make sure they're both on the same layer and there's no gap between these two clips. So one clip should run straight into the next. Now, from here, we're going to go into Effects and we're going to search for Gaussian Blur. So that is Gaussian Blur, and that should be in Blur and Sharpen. So we'll drag Gaussian Blur onto our first video clip. And as you can see, if we increase the blurriness, then that's going to make our video clip nice and blurry. So we're going to go all the way to the very end of our first video clip, and we'll increase the blurriness all the way up to 200%, and we'll create a brand new keyframe on blurriness. So we'll press the toggle animation or that stopwatch icon. Now we're going to go 10 frames to the left, and we're going to pull that all the way down to 0%. Now if we play this back, you can see we slowly transition into this blurry effect. Now when I play this back again, pay very close attention to the left side of the frame. Look, it starts off solid green, but the blurrier we get, the more black seems to creep into the edge. And this is because the edge pixels are not repeating. So basically, in order to remedy this, we want to select the Repeat Edge Pixels box. And as you can see, that's keeping the edge nice and consistent. So there you go, that's making a much cleaner transition. So all we need to do now is complete the second part of that transition, and that is to start with a blurry second video clip and transition into a clean, non-blurry video clip. So we're going to drag Gaussian Blur onto our second video clip, scroll to the very beginning, increase the blurriness to 200%. We'll create a brand new keyframe on blurriness by selecting the stopwatch animation button. We'll go to the right by 10 frames, pull that down to 0%, and then we're going to go ahead and select Repeat Edge Pixels. Now, if we take this back to the very beginning and we play this back, you can see we've got this really awesome blurry transition happening. Of course though, if that was too slow for you, then all you have to do is decrease the gap between these frames. So we're on video layer 1, we're on the first video clip, and if you wanted to make this quicker, then you pull these keyframes together. And the same thing applies for the second video clip. If you wanted to make that transition out even faster, then you just move them closer together. Of course though, if that is too intense for you, that's a bit too fast, then you just want to pull this second keyframe over to the right. So there's a bigger gap between these two frames now. And as you can see, we're going to slowly transition out of that. Of course, you can mix and match because these are different videos. They've both got their own Gaussian blur effect applied to them. You can go in fast and out slow, in slow, out fast. It's completely up to you. Either way though, that is the Gaussian blur transition now completed. So if you liked this video, then please let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you on a future video. See you there.